how to add Spotify to Apple Carplay. Here's how it works. First, if you don't have Spotify, you will need to install it. You can just go to the App Store and get the mobile app itself. And once you have Spotify installed and you have signed into your account, you will load up your iPhone settings. Then you will need to navigate to the General section. So just click on General and you should see CarPlay here underneath Picture in Picture. So you just want to click on CarPlay. From here, you will select your car. So you need to be close to your car and choose your car. And then you will drag the Spotify icon from the More Apps list to your preferred spot on the home screen, which should be usually the top row. And that is how you get Spotify on your Apple CarPlay. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.